Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are gonna talk about how to get the software right to support the OpenPnp, to support the 3DPlacer V2 with the auto position detection feature. So once the first thing we need to do is basically go to this repo. So this is the GitHub XPDIY and then OpenPnp. I actually fork from the OpenPnp, and in here actually I provided a feature branch which is called support 3DPlacer. So in here I actually added support for loose path feeder. So basically what the first thing we need to do is basically we need to clone that, and here I already cloned it, and you can see here. So basically we need to switch to the support 3DPlacer branch, and after that we need to build it. So to build it, it's really simple. So you do the -d as skip tests and then package, and then after this you should be able to build the OpenPnp, and then you can start the OpenPnp then with the openpnp.sh. Noted that this is in Mac, so if in Windows, then it would be BAT. In Linux, it will also be sh. One thing we need to do is basically I prepared the settings file, so you can see there are openpnp.settings. So inside there are actually the settings file for OpenPnp or the XML file. And what we need to do is we need to copy that to OpenPnp in your home directory. There's a .openpnp folder. So in there, if you copy inside, then the setting will already be there. So what you can do is basically you can download the settings from another repo. It's a XPDIY 3DPlacer. And here under the software, there is OpenPnp settings here. And then here are the settings file. So you can just clone the repo and then copy this settings file into your home directory .openpnp2 folder, and then you can start the OpenPnp. So let's just start it. Yes, so basically you can see the OpenPnp has been started. And then because of the settings file, actually you have already got the axes set up. So you got X, Y, Z, and then you got rotation, and you got a Z1, Z2, which is for the two nozzles, and then C1, C2 is for the rotation of those two nozzles. And then you can also see there is like from 0 to 8.1, and then this 8.1 actually means 360 degrees. So if we send the step 8.1 value, then it will basically go to 360. And then there are actually the mapping. So it just to make sure that we map the right value at 8.01 into 360 degree. And then this minus and plus basically controls the rotation. So you can, if the thing is that if you click on the rotation here clockwise, then from the bottom camera view, you should actually see the clockwise rotation. And if it's like anti-clockwise, you see here. If the rotation is reversed, then you just need to change the polarity here. Then it will be good. Yeah, so with this, we are pretty much ready to go for the next steps, which is then we connect to the machine and then start the calibration. Right. One other thing for the driver, if we had a settings file, we actually also have the driver set up. So basically here, we have the, for example, different operators. And here you can see that it has already been set up. For the light top, for example, here, that means it's actually in a pin 147. And then when user selected to be true or when it should be turned on, it will have the value 200. You can set it to higher if the light is not enough. Then, for example, 255 is the highest one, and 200 is a little bit lower. But you cannot set like really low, like 80, 90, this kind of thing, because then the light will start flashing. You will notice the flashing. This is basically the implementation inside the motherboard, which is the Marlin implementation. And for this board, it doesn't really support for those pins. It doesn't support the hardware PWM. So basically, you will see the flashing in there. It's like software PWM. But I mean, as long as it's more than like 160, 170 to 255, then it should be good. And this is the thing, and it actually set up also the pump for you already. So that makes it pretty straightforward. So you don't have to worry about this one. You just need to do the like setup calibrations and stuff like that. Yeah, okay, that was all for the settings file. And then next video we're gonna go for the BD connect to the machine and then do the calibration. Okay, see you in the next video.